Hi and welcome to my channel Modern Modiste. In today's video I'm going to show you a thrift haul of all the jackets and coats I got from the thrift store and how I style them. It's not really a style video, it's more so just showing the jackets and coats I got at the deals I got them at. I got all the jackets and coats during a 50% off sale at the thrift store. I say that all the time in my thrift flip videos and everything that involves thrifting, but it's true. I used to have this habit of going to the thrift store and just spending all my money. So I decided that I would cut that and limit myself to only going to the thrift store on sale days, which they have every major holiday. So, well, major and a few small ones like President's Day, and is that a major holiday? I don't know, but on days like that. These jackets and coats are all bought on 50% off sale days. So keep watching if you want to see my thrifted jackets and coats. Okay, so first off is this loft coat. The final price I paid for this coat is $12.50. Next up is my favorite, this soft burgundy velvet coat. It's so soft and cute. I paid $7.50 for this coat. This Sherpa collar black bomber coat for $9.99. I think the plaid lining is so cute. I bought this green blazer for $7.50. If you're looking for affordable blazers, the thrift store is where to find them. They have so many cheap blazers. Oh, and by the way, I got both of these pants from the thrift store at really good prices. Next, I bought this bomber jacket for $6.50. I got this coat which reminds me of Preppy style for $5. And my last jacket in this haul is this light wash denim jacket. I'm a big fan of a good denim jacket, and this one fits me perfectly. It's perfect for spring too, which is right around the corner. I purchased this jacket for $7.50. Considering that all these jackets and coats are in good condition, I'd say I got a great deal on all of them. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. If you'd like to see more thrift haul videos from me, thrift finds, whatever, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up and I'll get on that. And stay tuned for my thrift flips and all those videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.